Thank you for using Delta. Let me click on home button, guys. Look at this, all scripts are aided successfully. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. Okay, open your official Roblox and go to this create. Okay, now click on this profile and you see this copy user ID. Click there. Let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. Okay, let's wait for this AP connecting, and AP connected. Nice. Just scroll down and click I am not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will on Travel Town, okay, and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Verification successful. Okay, that's it. Thank you for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. This is the last step. Okay, now I will open the game and let's test. Does it actually work? Okay, so let me play this Grow Garden and let's see. Okay, guys, I'm now in the game and look at this, we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Let me click on home button, guys. Look at this, all scripts are aided successfully. Just click execute and enjoy in your script. Okay, so yeah, as you can see now, script are loading. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.